It's an Amutec Balamory Kiddie ride. So I'll just put the camera down over here. Now for some reason this is upside down still, but anyways, let's go.
Please press the start button.
Annoying the summons are flashing, but oh well. Yeah, this is upside down.
Hold on tight. The ride's about to begin.
Oh, it doesn't move. Come on.
And back in time.
There we go. It was refused to move at start. Never Amutec in 2009 or 2008. Honestly, we were while I was in Scotland. Yeah, I think I'm from Match Castle next. But I'm not sure yet.
All around.
Well, let's get on it.
And back in time.
To make me feel comfortable.
All around.
Getting on the ride.
And back in time for 2.
No, we can't.
All around the world and back
Get a
in
snail roll
time
there.
for 2.
I just think the Brum and Ice Ride have been moved inside. Mega. That's what I think.
The world and back in time for
Correct me if I'm wrong. For that reason.
Fun. Have another ride soon. Please press the start.
Yeah, I'm going to dedicate this video to Alice Liani and Gavin Kennedy for this video, to be honest with you. Go.
Hold on tight. The
Just
ride
wait for a few
is about
seconds,
to
then
begin.
press the start button, that's all.
All around the world and
No,
back
after I'm on the donut, annoyingly. But I still hate that ride over there, if you're wondering. I just want him anyway, as a one-off. It's on my camcorder. This is special, actually.
all around the world and back in time for 2.
You can see those characters from Balamory there. You may not see them because it's against there for some reason. I don't know why.
All around the world and back in
Yeah, there's a more over there already filmed, by the way.
all around the world and back in time for 2.
This film returns good. I'm not gonna lie.
All around the world and back in time for 2.
I'm still not doing very well on this because I am.
All around the world and back in
I hope
time
everyone have
for
low battery.
2. That was
Yeah.
fun. Have another ride soon. Please press the start button.
Right, let's press this in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold on tight.
Go.
The ride's about to begin. All around the world and back in time
Last
for
ride.
2.
I feel like getting on it, really, to be honest. I really like this ride, to be honest with you. I thought this on my Good Friday, Good Friday special today. Because why not? I don't think that one of the waterfall will ever come back, to be honest. I wish it did. Because the special is on replay, actually, or Balamory. Like I said earlier, I'll possibly put Match Castle next, to be honest.
All around the
Like I
world
said this earlier.
and back in time for 2.
Yeah, there's both lights still flash. Perfectly fine. Oh, I've got hit my camera there. I don't know why. This switch going off.
Have another ride soon.
And that was the Balamory Kiddie ride by Amutec a day before.